Good morning. Hello. Hi, all. Good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning, Rajesh. Sorry.
Rajesh.
So, thank you for joining the session today. So, let's continue the class. So, today the topic is the first one we are discussing. Okay. The variables concept. Okay. Variables. So, before going to variables, we can connect to the lab and we can discuss. So, let's connect to the instance. I'll power on one of the instance here. Yeah, this is continuation topic of yesterday, shell scripting. Okay, the variables concept in shell scripting. Okay, I'm just giving a confirmation. Okay, the variables, how you can manage and maintain, and so some examples in shell scripting we can discuss here. So this concept, normally variables, you can see these terms in everywhere in the programming, but actually in scripting also we can use a variables. Okay, in scripting also we can use variables, right? Example, guys, if you go to Google, okay, system variables in shell scripting, if you enter, you'll get a lot of information in the internet. Okay, okay, we have a lot of variables like a shell scripting and system variables. So what is meaning of system variables means whenever the using the Linux operating system, by default some commands and executions already, extensions already available in the system, which is not added additionally. So from the Linux kernel itself, some programs already available. So the particular program will be, it is called a system variable. Okay. So example, listing and present working directory, time, calendar. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, we are using, definitely the value will get. But not only system variables in the real-time environment, we will use user variables also. Okay, and the user is giving some information, and a particular information they will be taking an output. They'll be taking as an output. So we will see both scenarios, system related variables and user related variables, how it will work, so that we can easily understand what the purpose of variables we are using. After that, some scenarios we will be understanding. Let's connect to the server. Let's go here and copy this. This is 8 a.m. instance, right? I need to connect 8 a.m. keeper. Good. Clear screen. So right now I'm working in this location. Is there any files are available? So now I'm going to rm-rf destination move source every data and everyone. Okay, fine. First I'm going to create a one system related variables. So for that I'm just opening the one shell scripting terminal vi. The name is sysvar dot sh system variable example I'm creating. So if anybody joining today's class, definitely it will not understand. You please just stay back and you can please attend the yesterday video and you can watch again this class. Okay. So better you try to understand the concept if you are not attending yesterday class. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to insert, and here I need to give the hashtag shebang /bin/bash. Okay, hit enter. Now we are identifying the system defined variable. What is system defined variables? Okay, whatever you can write here, no problem. Okay, this is a comment information. Anything you can write here. So by default, normally when you hit enter, you will get a hashtag only. Once you remove, you can normally enter this. Okay. If your previous line, if it is a hashtag, when you hit enter, automatically it will take a hashtag only. It's a commenting value. It's a by default, it's taking like that. So echo, sorry. So echo, and we are asking, hey, who is a bash? Okay, I'm asking who is a bash. So I never declared any variable in this particular script. I'm directly asking, hey, who is a bash? Understand? So that means if the system variable is already given for the bash, who is a bash, so we will get an output. Otherwise, if the bash command is not available in the system, the output value will not show. The output value is not shown. Right? Is it clear? If the system already this value is registered, so then the value output will be showing when we run the script. Otherwise, if it is not a system variable, the value will not show. You need to manually or you need to provide additionally provide these variables. So let's I can press escape, save this file. Now the sysvar sh is available now. Now I'm going to execute this script. So // okay, sysvar.sh. I'm getting this message. Okay, permission denied. Permission denied. Why? Why? I don't have rights on this particular file when we are using the // Suppose if you are used a chmod command and providing the full permissions for this, you will get a access on this particular file and you can get the report. Either positive report or negative report, you will get it, the results. Now, write a chmod 777 full admin control of the particular file. What is the file name? sysvar.sh. We got successfully full permissions. Now we can run the script. Okay. Now you can run the script. So you will get an output. Maximum chances are there. So the bash, the value is, this is the location, /bin/bash. So whatever the value you provided, we get it. Understand? So // the script when you're running, it will ask that the variable information is bash. In the system location, the bash equal to some value is there. That is a /bin /bash. The value, we got it. Okay, well and good. I can add another system variable. I'll get an output. Suppose I want to know present working directory to print here. Okay, present working directory. I need to get a printout. So how you need to get a printout in this area? So go to vi, this file, and go to insert, echo, system variable, present working directory. Press escape and hit enter. Now we need to run here. Sorry. I'm getting only one value information we got it. May I know what is the reason? Why only one value is coming? The second value is not returning here. May I know what is the reason?
This PWD is not a system variable.
Sorry?
This PWD is not a system variable.
Oh, so your answer is PW is not system variable. Okay.
Already we are in the same directory now. That is the reason it's not.
We are in the already same directory. If
In
you
the
are
system,
already in the
yeah.
same directory, even if you run the PWA, see if you run the PWD, you will get an output, right? Normally,
Yes,
but
yes.
why it is not showing it?
In the system might be having only one directory.
No. Bash already is there, right? So Bash also already is available in the system. Okay. So whenever giving that Bash, you are getting an output. Why this is not coming out? I'll tell you the story. What is the problem here? You can see here. Sorry. Why move.sh is coming? Okay. See here, what are the system variable I'm mentioning here? It is in a small letters, lower cases. So whenever the system variable you want to enter, mostly it will be in a capital letters. So PWD, I'm giving in a capital letters, uppercase, escape, enter. Now you will get a so /bin/home ec2 -. Okay, this is a system variable. This is a system variable. Whatever the system is recognized, the values are available along with the operating system with the kernel. So whatever the commands you're executing and we are finding out the reports in the Linux operating system, everything we called as system related variable. So the complete operating system level, we cannot modify this. We cannot modify this. Suppose if you want to modify in the user level, it is possible. Let me tell you. So how to define the user related variable? Okay. What is user defined variable? So now user related variable, I'm going to enter here. I'm just declaring the value name equals to my name I'm providing, and I want to print the value. So print the value means now we can use print value is echo, and here we can call it the dollar and name. Just we can give the name only. The value I'll get an output. The value I'll get as an output. So name equal to Rajesh. The value I will get it here. Name equals to Rajesh, value will get output. So now escape WQ and you can clear the screen. Okay. You can see this. Rajesh value is printed. So echo is asking to print the name, but actually in the name equals to my name was updated. So that means name variable was taken and properly it is print out in the execution area. This is the way we are giving the, okay, we are giving the system related information. So even we can give the multiple values also. I can able to print it. Example. Insert age. Okay. I'm asking to print age. Going to print my age. Escape. So the value, I got it. So whatever the information you can provide, whatever the information you can provide, that value, I'll get an output. So yesterday, I have given some scenarios. Okay, I have given some scenarios when we are copying the value from one folder to another folder. So guys, every time the folder is constant, the data only is changing. So that's the reason the source value we can take as an one folder, and the destination will be taken as a one folder. So the maybe the length, the path is maybe very big. I don't want to call anywhere if the data wants to copy, data want to extract in this particular folder. So I can use the system variables. Source equals to some location, dist equals to some location, and we can execute the program. Okay, understand? So this is a way we are giving the system related variables and user related variables. So next concept is we call as read user inputs. Read user inputs. So that means we are giving some value that will be given in the output, very clear cut statement. Okay, clear cut statement. Suppose I can create one more script here. Read user dot sh I'm creating. Okay, enter, write down /bin /bash. So what is that concept today? Read user input, read user input you are taking, read user input you are taking. Okay. So what is the read user input is, okay, we're asking echo, hey, enter your name, enter your name. Okay, this is enter your name. And whatever the name you are entering, okay, okay, so that name we are calling here, the second line. Sorry. So read your name. So this particular, whatever the name is entered by the user, the particular name will be read by this particular information. Now, again, I want to print the value. Okay, something your provider, your name is Alex. Okay, and it will be telling that, hey, you are entered your name. You are entered your name. Your name is okay, Alex. So that's kind of reverse statement will be given to as output. Okay, so now again we need to use one echo, and we are telling that we are commenting that information. Hey, you are entered your name, name, the dollar you're taking, and we need to call the value. We need to call the value. Okay, call the value. What is the value we need to call here after the dollar? Anybody can tell me?
Name.
Exactly, perfect. Perfect. So, but one thing, you have to give one space, dollar, name, and you can close it here. Dollar, name, close your inverted quotes, and you can get it. Okay. The first line we are giving to take the input from the user, and once the user is given the input, and it will read the information and keep store in the like a temporary cache information, then it will be displaying the complete sentence. Your name is so and so. Your name is so and so. That means it's iteration of your inputs. It will be probing your inputs. Example, you're calling me, I'm a customer care executive, and you're telling that myself, Gopi Krishna, I have recently purchased a brand new SIM in Airtel. So I'm telling that I hope so. Your name is Gopi Krishna. You came with some problem, right? So I'm just reiterating that. Similar kind of scenario in shell scripting, how you are using it. So that's it. Now I'm going to escape WQ and save it here. The answer, how you can read the answer? So you know, right? // read user.sh permission issue. Now what we need to do? chmod 777. That's it. So now you can execute this, and it is asking enter your name. Okay, it is asking some input. Okay, it is requesting some input. Now I'm writing my name. Then it is telling that, hey, entered your name, Rajesh. Okay, entered your name, Rajesh. So like this, so the value is coming out. Read user input. So whatever the information you're writing, that will be captured in the read information, and that read means it will be in the memory only. It will be stored. The information is stored. So then we are getting an output. So going forward, whatever the basics classes you are learning today, and tomorrow, that means tomorrow means further classes, some concepts we are building on the fly. Like example, some scenario is that time we will be creating one big script, like 10 lines or 5 lines or 20 lines, like that we can create, and we will be using that script there. Okay, you're using the script in that particular location.
Yeah, sorry, Rajesh. If you allow, can I ask me a
Your
question?
voice is too low.
Hello, now?
Now it's good. Tell me.
So, okay, I have a question. Like, see, we are creating a file, right? Here we have created like a vi
File, huh?
did you
No,
did
we are not
user
creating
dot
a file actually. You are asking new requirement, or you are reiterating whatever the class I explained to you?
whatever had been explained in
Okay.
that actually I have a question. You have like we have created this sh file, right?
Uh-huh.
The same user is creating this file, but why it is giving permission denied error?
Okay. So I'm running the script by using the // Okay.
Okay.
// I'm giving that information. So then the system is understanding that somebody will be running this, so we don't have permission. Normally by using sh space, when the command is executing yesterday, we are not getting any problem. Have you noticed that yesterday?
No, I was not there.
Yesterday you not attend the class?
No, no.
That's why I asked you. You please watch the yesterday class. Okay.
Okay, I will do.
Right. So yesterday, what are the modes to execution of the shell script? That concept I explained it. Okay. So please watch that one. Again, it will be repetition will be there. You'll got the record right already?
Yes.
Okay. Please watch, and then continuously you can watch this video. You will get a clear output. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Fine, guys. So as of now, system related variables you have discussed and the user related variables we discussed. In the user related read user information also, we got it. Okay, so now, and we need to add more information. We need to add more information in this particular read user input. Okay, so let's go ahead. And adding few more values. Okay. Example, Rajesh is from which location? Rajesh is from which location? So we want to know that information. So what is that? We need to ask one more question to the user. So what is the question name is? Echo.
Enter your location.
Enter your location. Enter your location. So space, colon, and close the double quotes. And which information we need to read? Which information we need to read?
Location.
Location, that's correct. Location. Then next, what we need to do? We need to print the value with the question. Right. Read user input. So echo entered your location is. So where we need to call the information? Where we need to call this information? Dollar location.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you can close it here. And escape WQ. And you can check this. Rajesh, enter your location. HYD. And we got an output. Okay. So we can give the multiple values and we can call their output. So these values normally going forward in specific area when we are deploying an applications in a bigger environment like a front end, back end, and the middle and tires applications when deploying, and automation of the scripts when downloading the files from internet area. Okay. So some kind of inputs we will be telling that, and we are calling the information and we are executing. We'll do that. So when we are working on the Docker, Jenkins, Ansible, so in that area you will get more information about this. Okay. Everybody, you need to practice these commands without any fail. So hopefully everybody, you got the information very clearly, right? So next concept is I want to get output value. I want to get output value one after one. One after one, we need to get it. So actually, I got the information. So the name I given, okay, and we got it here. And we got it here. So, but whenever we are getting a huge amount of information, but all the information will be not in the sequential order, then we need to change the order if you required. So example, on the last, the place should be your name is Rajesh, your enter name is Mahesh, your enter location is Hyderabad, your enter location is Bangalore, like that continuous output you need. So what is the changes is required in this particular script? Anyone can tell me?
those two, read name and read location, we can keep it down down by down,
Okay.
like one.
So like this, you need to say like this. Like this,
Yeah,
right?
Not there actually. The read name should be, yeah, both read name and read location has to be just above the penultimate number line actually. Yeah, the way the
Exactly.
cursor is current.
So what we need to do, very simple. Okay, very simple. The whatever the enter output value is there, right? So this value, we can take it here. Okay, enter your value. So after that, so we can keep the last lines, echo enter your name, echo enter your location name we can provide. And after that, so in this particular line, we can enter this echo enter your location. Got it? Now it's correct. Now it's correct, right? So now save and we can take an output. First it will take inputs, okay? The values are written at the last. The values are written at the last. Okay, guys. Go to the next concept. The next concept is arguments. What is meaning of arguments? Can you tell me, anyone?
The argument when any runtime we give the value.
Runtime we will give the value. Okay. Comparison, right? Huh?
Yes, yes.
Hey, I'm greater than you. I'm superior than you. Okay. You're not equals to me. You're equals to me. So comparisons, right? Some
Yes,
kind of arguments.
yes.
Right. Okay. So when we're writing an arguments, so some kind of syntax is required. So first we need to framing together. Structure is required when you're writing. So the structure is normally, right? So like this line is common, no changes at all. And we can give the comment whatever this. Print total arguments and their values. So how you can give the values information? Echo total arguments. Total arguments. Okay. We're giving dollar and hashtag. Okay. Dollar and a hashtag. And This is a structure of arguments, guys. Don't worry. I'll give you the example scenario. You can easily understand. All arguments values is some XYZ value. So this value we are taking. Okay. And finally, we are asking that inputs. We're asking some inputs. And what is the value of A and what is the value of B? What is the value of first, value of second, that we need to print that. Command arguments can be accessed as echo the first value. Okay, we need to write here. So here the value 1 will get, and the same second line second, you can take this. Okay. So now this is the values where I'm going to give the arguments in this particular structure. I'm copying this and I'm going here. Vi arguments.sh press input. We're taking the values like this. Now I'm going to save this file. And we're running the script, but we need a permission. Now we can run the script. Arguments.sh. Okay. Argument.sh. Now, along with that argument, I'm just giving the input. Rajesh. So the values are taken, the two arguments are given, okay? Like the total number of arguments is 2, all arguments values is Rajesh Naidu and first and the second. So now, and I can modify. Okay. Escape. Are you clear? So what is meaning of arguments? Whatever the inputs value we are given, then declaring that, so the total number of information and the cut down into small pieces, and it will be giving that. So based on the arguments we have given, then it will be split. Okay. Okay, fine. You given this value inputs is that would be fine. Suppose you are entering some number, and you need to tell that. So Rajesh is greater than Naidu, or maybe Naidu is greater than Rajesh. No, right? We cannot tell that which one is greater than or equals. Okay, both are similar kind of information. Okay. So what we can do, we can use the other condition. The job is, which is called if else, or else if. Okay, right here. If else and elif. Elif means else if. Okay. So either this, either not. Okay, either that. So that kind of concept we need to do. So for that, we need to create some syntax, then we can apply. Either 2 is greater than 5, one value will get. Maybe if it's lesser than, some other value will come. Okay. So 2 is greater than 5. Is this correct or not? So we can give the condition here. So to write this, the same tag you can take here. Apart from that, we are giving the if statement. If statement. So what is the syntax is? The command if, give the square bracket, and you can give the condition. You can write the condition. Okay, after that, then we will be print the value echo condition is true, else echo the condition is tell me.
False.
False. That's correct. False. And finally, F5. So you can enter these values based on in this level, you need to write a script. This is a syntax. You can take the same script, guys. Same script, you can take it. And I can modify based on our requirement. I can go here, clear screen, and vi else if dot sh, creating it, input. So now these lines are I'm changing. If the value I'm giving, hey, a equals to 5, then b equals to 6. Okay, a equals to 5, b equals to 6. Now I'm asking the condition. Condition means formula. So here we need to ask the condition. Hey, you can take the value of a and you can check that is this equals to b, is equals to b. Now we are asking that. So now we can write the condition. So what is the value of condition we are writing? A is equal to b. Suppose if maybe 5 value and b value, if both are same, we'll get the return this. Okay, a is equals to b. Otherwise, if it is not, so what is the message you'll get? A is not equal to B. That's the value we need to get output. Okay? Any other question? And press escape and save and quit. chmod 777. We got a full permission. Else if dot sh A is not equals to B. Obviously, right? A is not equals to B. Perfect. Now we can modify, insert 5. A equals to 5, B equals to 5. Then what will get output? A is equals to B. A is equals to B. Perfect, right? Suppose now we already given the values input, the A and B. Okay. But I don't like that. So when we are running the script, it will need to ask the value. Okay, it will need to ask the value. Then we need to enter this simultaneously value of information. Then we need to get output. Will able to manage this? Will able to manage this? Yes. Just now we given the read user input, right? The same syntax we can use. Anybody can help me? I can write it for you. Tell me.
Rajesh, you can write like echo, enter your first number,
Enter a value.
Okay.
then read
Okay.
A. Read $A.
Okay. The next echo.
Enter B
Enter.
value. B value.
Okay.
Read B.
Read B. Then I can remove this, right?
Yes. That's it.
Now condition is okay. Then escape. It is asking. Enter value A 10. Okay. Enter value B 12. A is not equals to B. Again. Enter value A 10. Enter value B 10. A is equals to B. Got it? Suppose the same same project, same script. I want to change it in greater than or less than concept I need to implement. Is this possible to implement? Greater than or less than? So yes, we can implement. So go to input. So here, this condition we need to equals. Okay. Equals, we need to use it. And the value we need to change it here. What the value we need to change? A is greater than, okay, or equals, okay, or equals. Next. A is less than or equals to B. Save it. Ten, 11. A is less than B. Twelve, 10. Something wrong, right? Okay. I think there's a wrong answer is getting. Okay.
No, Rajesh, you go in the script, you have mentioned as equal.
No, your voice is not clear. Can you speak louder?
You have mentioned that equal in that scripting well, right?
Oh, right.
That's the reason
Equals
it's showing in
equal.
input of equal.
Yeah, right. Yeah, correct. Correct one. So we are telling that is equal. I think it's correct only, right now?
Yes.
Right. So the mathematical calculations are maybe for your understand purpose, it is demonstrating here. So, but in real-time environment, when we are working, this type of A is a greater than B like that. No, we are not taking that. It depends on the conditions we will take. Okay. So from Monday onwards, we will take the class. Okay. And we'll continue that. Okay. So today and tomorrow, whatever the classes are there, you please practice. In case of any doubts, you please note down the notes and you can send a message. Okay. In the WhatsApp group. So based on the free time, they will connect with you. Okay. Thank you all.
Rajesh sir,
Yes, please.
for the technical assistance regarding me, can in weekend will be assist by the technical person.
1 minute. I'll talk to you personally.
Yeah, because weekend we have a time for practice.
Wait.
Yeah.
I got the information. So please wait. So you please stay on the line.
Yeah,
Okay.
please.
We'll discuss. So any other questions, guys? Don't forget to shut down the machines. Thank you all. So we will continue the session on Monday.